In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import data into Excel. So, some websites, for example, right now I have Yahoo Finance up. It's really easy. For example, I would just go to historical prices. Then I would go to the bottom, set my date range at the top. Go to the bottom, download spreadsheet. Boom, I'm done. Now, for other websites, for example, here's Basketball Reference. It's not as intuitive. With newer versions of Excel, it's really easy to copy tables and paste them into Excel, and Excel usually gets the formatting right. Sometimes it doesn't, and you can use the same method when it doesn't do that. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to find the data that you want, right? So I'm going to go to advanced stats for the 2012-2013 season. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to give me all the advanced stats, obviously, for every player in the NBA. And this is what I want, right? This is good because I want to do some kind of data analysis or statistical analysis for every player in the NBA. Now, if you notice on Basketball Reference, every 20 rows it has the header again, and I'll show you how to deal with that in a moment. But what you want to do is once you have the data you want to go to the top and you want to click on CSV. Now CSV stands for comma separated values. So you're going to click on that, get rid of that, and then it's just going to give you this huge wall of text. Okay, and so then you're going to copy all the text, and there's a lot of data here, so it's going to take me a while. Okay, copy all of that and then paste it into Excel. Now if you notice right off the bat, everything is in column A. If I go over to column B, there is nothing up here, right? It's blank. If I go back to column A, it's got rank, player, age, team, games, etc., etc. Now the way to correct this is actually quite easy. All we have to do is we have to go to data, and next we're going to click on this text to columns, and now we have two options. We have delimited and we have fixed width. Fixed width is if you're dealing with data that's like, for example, every 4 characters is a new statistic or something like that. Now, but we want to use delimited, and it's going to separate the data based on some kind of characters. Tabs are a popular one. Spaces, those are all popular characters that are used to separate data. And so we copied all the data, and it was comma separated values. So obviously we're just going to click on columns or commas. And if you look down here, it went ahead and separated them all. Oh, I only clicked on the first row. Let me fix that. Alright, so you're going to click on the column, and then click on text to columns, and then make sure delimited is selected, and then go over here to comma. And yeah, look down there, and you'll see it separates each column exactly how you want it to be separated into rank, player, age, games, or team, games, etc. Next, click next, and then simply click finish, and there you go. It's all separated, very nice and pretty. And if you remember, I was telling you guys about how every 20 columns or so, there's that one column that's just the header again. So the way to get rid of that is easy. You're just going to click sort, and then pick some numeric value, doesn't matter. And then, largest to smallest. And what it does is it shoots all the headers to the top. And then you just have to copy each one, right click the rows, and delete. Why is it giving me issues? Oh, I just pressed delete. Delete. That worked. Oh, that's strange. I guess I was clicking on the row twice or something like that. Anyways, you now have only one header, and below that you have all your data, and you can resort it however you want if you want to resort it back by rank. And you're done. That's it. That's all there is to it. And now you can do all the statistical and data analysis you want to with this data.